My name is Flora Smatia. I'm a Form 4 student at Zoesa Secondary School, located at Mkoka Village in Kongwa District, Dodoma. I have accompanied with my fellow students, Mwamini, Baraka, Nehemia, and Shaibu. We are going to address our progress on farming activities conducted in our school. We are farming 3 different types of crops. This year, maize, millets, and sunflowers. Keep watching a video until the end.
Our farming activity is starting from preparations, development, and our general expectations. We have about 5 hectares of maize. We are taking responsibilities on weeding and uprooting seeds in case we found 2 seedlings according to the instructions from agriculturalist. We expect to have 10 sacks per hectare. So in these 5 hectares, we expect to have 50 sacks of maize, despite of shortage of rainfall and diseases.
Sunflower farm program takes about 25 hectares. Whole land is grown sunflower in modern farming procedure like planting in line. It depends on level and our full participation on keeping our farm. We expect to harvest 100 sacks. Our program faces challenge particular like shortage of rainfall and pests.
On our millet farming program, it takes about 5 hectares, as you can see. Initially plowed by a tractor, seeded by a student, and as a reading from the teachers, we expect about 30 success of millets, although we face challenges of scarcity of rainfall lead to the dominant seedling.
Sisi kama leaders wa Afrika tuko tayari kulisha ulimwengu. Tuko tayari kuiondoa aibu ya Afrika kutegemea chakula kutoka kwingine. Tuko tayari kufanya hivyo.
We thanks our farming program teacher, Sir John Nyambi, for his commitment. Additionally, Kongwa District Council for their cooperation and funds. Thank you for watching our video. Welcome to our Zoesa Secondary School. Have a nice day.